Today we're looking at this smart battery charger from EBL. Welcome back. I'm Kevin K from kevink.com, and on this channel I do a lot of social media tutorials, product reviews, and a lot of live streaming. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you can get more information about this smart battery charger from EBL and everything else we talk about in this video. The first thing that we're going to do is open up the box and see what we find inside. So there's an AC power adapter for this, of course, and they've given us not only a couple of packs of batteries. This charger will hold 8, so they've given us 4 AAA batteries and 4 AA batteries as well. And the charger itself has a couple of USB ports on it that you'll be able to see in a second, which is really cool because we can charge other devices and leave this on our desk or wherever we're going to put it. This is pretty interesting. Some unexpected fun stickers in our pack, so we'll have to find a place to put some of those. And an instruction manual for us and probably some warranty information as well. And here's a look at everything that we found in the box. We've got the battery charger itself that holds 8 AA or AAA, any combination of either, and all at once if we need to. Some AAA batteries, some AA batteries, an AC power cord for the charging unit, some fun stickers that they included, and then a instruction manual with some warranty information. Once you've decided where you're going to put the unit and plugged it into the wall, it's really easy to insert the AC adapter, and here we go. We saw those LED lights flash for a quick second just to let us know we've got power. It's nice that the battery packs that they gave us are sealed, but we can just peel the stickers away or cut them or whatever you want to do with those, and then open up the packages. And I love the idea that they gave us these, because if you got to transport these anywhere, it's wonderful to know that the batteries aren't going to touch your keys or chains and pockets and, you know, different things like that. So this is really, really cool. I'll do the same thing with the AA batteries here as well. Now it's time to put the proper batteries into the charger, and we should see the indicator light letting us know that those batteries are being charged. I'll just finish putting all of the batteries into the charger. They can go any order that you like. Each one of the receptacles, if we want to call it that, will take an AA or a AAA. And there we go. If you find that the batteries that come with your charger are not enough, then of course the company sells extra batteries. We'll have a look at some of these in a second here. And they also come in those protective cases, which is really cool for transporting, like I had mentioned. Another cool feature with this unit is it's almost impossible to put a battery in the wrong way. It just won't fit. To give our batteries a good test, I'm in the middle of a review of this Dymo portable label maker, so we'll get them inside and then make sure that they're working fine. Once we've got the batteries installed, I'll put the cover on, turn it over, and hit the power button. And if you'd like to see the review of this particular label maker, I'll leave a link in the description, and I hope you'll subscribe to the channel so you can find the video easily. Now it's time to see about the USB ports charging other devices. And there we go. And it's got another one right beside it. They both work. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video so that you can get more information about this smart battery charger from EBL and everything else we've talked about in this video. That's a look at the EBL Smart Battery Charger with USB charging. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody who you think might like to see it. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this charger, and if you have tips and tricks I haven't yet discovered with this particular model. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. We'll see you again soon from kevink.com. Take care. Bye-bye.